Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PandaDoc for proposal workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. On the home page, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your new account. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from PandaDoc. Follow the link provided in that email to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the PandaDoc website and log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To start a subscription, navigate to the pricing section, usually found in the main menu. Review the different plan options available for proposal workflows. Select the plan that best suits your business needs. You will be directed to enter your payment information. Input your credit card details and billing address as required. Review the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. Wait for a confirmation email to receive details about your subscription. Return to your PandaDoc dashboard to start creating proposal workflows. Explore the available templates and tools to enhance your proposals. Begin utilizing PandaDoc's features to streamline your proposal process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.